Jailbreak, jailbreak, jailbreak.
They're moving too fast. We gotta pick up pace.
Here we go, I'm off.
BattleLab is where we combine competition and experimentation in order to drive tactical innovation.
In Season 2, we're upping the stakes by basing the scenarios on real-world events and additional pieces of emerging technology.
The scenarios we're running focus on the mission Special Operations Forces face most often.
Cache recovery, which is gathering equipment after an infiltration.
Launch and execute.
Hidden strike,
Finish.
which is conducting FPV strikes in a denied or contested area.
All right, hit.
Crisis evacuation, which is recovering priority personnel.
Go, go, go. Get to pickup site.
And react ambush,
Eagle down.
responding to or enhancing survivability of a convoy while under the threat of FPV strikes.
Throws up, launch and execute.
War games end where BattleLab begins.